Hello, my name is Hunter Randes, and please subscribe. And what I'm gonna do right now is the salsa habanero. It's sauce, and I put it on this cap, and I'm gonna try it out. And let's see how many times can I do it. Okay? Here it goes.
Lick the cap.
Ooh! Never tried this. Ooh! There goes one. There's just two. Ah. Whew. Ow. Woo. My second one. And this is gonna be my third one.
Lick the cat.
Woo. Third one, people. Whew. Whew. Ah. I think I can't do no more.
You sure?
I'll tell you when. Whew. Ah. I wonder if you guys ever done the habanero challenge. I'm dizzy. Ah. Ow! Ooh. Oh. It is like my fourth or fifth.
Fourth.
Fourth. Yeah, it's my fourth, people. Whew. Ah. Ah. That's the fifth one. Oh my god, I'm getting dizzy. Oh my god. My mouth is burning. Next year, I've never tried this.
Lick the cap. Whoa, calm down. We got Hulk up in here.
Oh.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm Hunter Randes. When you watch it, please subscribe and yeah.
Comment below if you have done it too.
Right down there.
Adios.
Okay, thank
Bye
you
bye.
for watching.